Tan, Babo, Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services. For today's vlog, our partner restaurant is hailing from Barangay San Nicolas, San Fernando, Pampanga. So we would like to thank Siowings for sending us these. I would like you to see everything yung mga pinadala nila. So right now we have like almost roughly 10 mga food packages and they are still closed, and if you notice they are still sealed, so may konting excitement and suspense while we are opening them. Let's get into it. So first off, let's open this huge pan. I'm guessing this is a voila, it is chicken, guys. Flavor natin, soy garlic, honey barbecue, and garlic parmesan. Next pan is this one in the middle. So we have the classic mild buffalo, honey sriracha, and hickory barbecue. Hickory barbecue, my new favorite flavor for wings, guys. And show it to you. Alright. The third and last pan we're gonna open is, what do you think? I'm guessing it's chicken wings. Ang flavors nila, guys, teriyaki, spicy buffalo, honey garlic, and salted egg. Check out these 3 pans of chicken wings. I think these are like 24 pieces each. 24 plus 24 plus 24, that is, so these are 72 pieces of chicken wings. Later I'm gonna enjoy this, guys. Let's move on. Let's check out these. So French fries. These are actually included sa mga meals. 2 flavored French fries. The next is, wow, guys, sisig. Oh man, parang mangangailangan ako ng ano dito, sili. Okay, let's move to the next batch. Ooh, what is this? Para siyang beef. It's like beef teriyaki, I think so. Let's check out the menu later, no? And then the next one is, it's a garlic rice. Garlic rice. And then itong malaking nila, food box. Oh, crackers. So okay, let's continue with the other food boxes. This one is, wow, this is a liempo. Last 2 food boxes. This one is, okay, another garlic rice, or I think they call it Java rice or garlic rice. Then I'm guessing this is another box for crackers. Woo! Different flavors of crackers. So you have 2 different flavors of crackers. Cut muna tayo, B-roll muna tayo. So right after I drill you with those eye-appetizing B-roll shots, guys, it's time for the most fun part of the vlog, taste testing the food. So again, guys, we would like to thank Siowings for sending us, grabe, ang dami talagang pinadala. So let me start with, of course, their most famous, yung mga wings nila. I have to reorder yung mga setup natin dito, parang mukbang style tayo. Anyway, so let's get into it. Again, I'm not sure about the flavor. Medyo yun na lang natin. Kung ano yung madampot natin, yun yung titikman natin. Wow. Wow. So ito medyo high on garlic. Like I mentioned earlier guys, si Siowings ay located sa San Nicolas, San Fernando, Pampanga. They are catering towns like San Fernando, of course, Apalit, Minalin, yung mga neighboring towns na yan. Yun yung mga towns kung saan dinideliver yung mga pagkain nila. And if you check out their fan page, meron po silang mga like mga family meals or bucket meals or mga barkada meals na sulit guys. Again, if you are constrained with time, you cannot cook, yung mga ganitong pagkain guys, they come, you know, easily and accessible, less hassle. You can, you know, you can also assure that it is delicious because these are from, you know, really running restaurants that are meron ng mga suki at mga parokyano. Okay, let's continue. Grabe, sobrang dami nito guys. Let me just read the menu that came with the packages. So meron po silang mga wings bundle starting from 150 pesos, 6 pieces, 1 flavor, up until around 1,699 pesos. You get 100 pieces of wings in 2 flavors. Grabe. We also have sulit meals like itong mga liempo, sisig. These are called sulit rice bowls. They come with java rice and crackers. Each menu or food box na nakikita nyo dito, they can be sold separately. Available din sa menu nila, siomai, Shanghai, crackers, fries, nachos, plain rice. Let me just read din yung mga sulit meals nila. They have hot dog, siomai, Shanghai, tapa, tocino, longganisa, chicken nuggets, beef teriyaki, sisig, pork liempo. What I'm trying to say here is, guys, if you don't have, you know, enough time and enough, you know, bandwidth or manpower to cook, okay, mga ganito guys, they come really handy. Let's, you know, remove yung hassle of still preparing everything. But then again, I must admit, no one can beat talaga yung house cook or prepared meals. No one can beat that. But my point is, if you're constrained with time and the effort, you can order these. So let me get okay, let's get the red one, no? I think this is a buffalo wing, no? Spicy wings. And then let's dip it dito sa dip pa natin dito sa spicy paste natin. And then dip it here dito sa white sauce. So yeah, let's taste it. Very popular sa mga, you know, breakfast meals, lalong-lalo na terno tayo dito sa java rice nila. A tocino would be really good partner. Again, let's dip it dito sa chili sauce. Oh wow, I love my job. Wow. So there you have it guys. I won't bore you. I'm gonna ask my family to join me eat this everything, no? Kung nakarating ka sa length ng video na to guys, I would really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching this. And I would also want to thank Siowings guys. Please check out their fan page. Check out the number to call if you wanna order from them. And like giving them a thumbs up, please like their page as well. So let us support local, stay at home guys, be safe. And again, we hope to see you on our next video until our next discovery, or shall I say, review from home. Thanks for watching. We're in Pampanga. God bless us all guys. Bye.